Welcome to our channel. TP-Link Kasa Smart Home Setup Deep Dive. Unbox and don't panic. Open the box. Yeah, sounds dumb, but don't skip this. Make sure you have the device itself, power adapter or plugs, quick start guide. Check the model number too. Some Kasa stuff won't play nice if you grab the wrong app version. Download the app and ignore the overhype. Go grab the Kasa Smart app on iOS or Android. Don't bother reading all the push notifications the app will hit you with. Just install, open, and create an account. You have to make an account, there's no sneaky guest mode. Plug it in and reset. If needed, power up your device. If it's new, fine. If it's old or a returned unit, hold that reset button. Usually 5 to 10 seconds until the LED blinks. That blinking is your green light to start sweating less. Connect to Wi-Fi. Kasa only likes 2.4 GHz. If your router is blasting 5 GHz, this is why your device keeps ghosting you. Open app right pointing arrow, add device right pointing arrow, pick what you bought. Follow the steps. Connect your phone to the device's temporary Wi-Fi. It usually shows up as something like TP-Link _Smart _XXX. Enter your home Wi-Fi credentials. If it fails, it's almost always the Wi-Fi. Fix that first. Name your device like a human. The app will suggest dumb default names like Smart Plug 01. Don't leave it. Name it something you'll actually remember, like living room lamp or coffee maker. Trust me, 10 devices in, you'll thank yourself. Update firmware. The device can work out of the box. No, you shouldn't skip this. Kasa updates are hit or miss, but latest firmware equals less random disconnects and smarter scheduling. Go into device settings, right pointing arrow, check for updates, right pointing arrow, apply. It'll reboot a couple times. Play with scenes and schedules. Here's where it gets fun. You can turn devices on, off on a timer. Set up scenes, like movie night, that dims bulbs and turns off plugs. Use the away mode to make your house look lived in. Tip: start simple. Test one device at a time. Don't try to automate your whole life in one go. Optional: voice control. If you're feeling fancy, hook it up to Alexa, Google Assistant, or IFTTT. The Kasa app has guides, but basically, link your account, discover devices, start yelling at your lights like a wizard. Thank you for watching.